Ready to elevate your e-commerce journey? Welcome to the Shopify for Beginners course, a comprehensive guide designed to help you master the art of online retail with Shopify. In this masterclass, you'll acquire the essential skills to build a professional and profitable Shopify store from the ground up. Whether you're just starting out or have some experience, this course is tailored for you. Here's a glimpse of what you'll learn. We'll kick things off with the fundamentals of e-commerce and explore the incredible capabilities of Shopify. You'll set up your own Shopify account and prepare to embark on your online business adventure. You'll discover how to make your store stand out. From choosing the ideal theme to adding products and designing your logo, I'll guide you through each step of the process. Learn to optimize your store's colors and fonts, create engaging blog posts, and navigate theme settings like a pro. In the store settings section, I'll show you how to configure payment, marketing, and shipping settings. You'll also learn about customer privacy, domain selection, and the various Shopify plans available. Ready to start selling? You'll master order processing, handle returns and refunds. And what's a store without promotion? I'll teach you how to create discounts, implement email marketing, and connect Shopify with Google Analytics for valuable insights. Want to supercharge your marketing? We'll walk through setting up Facebook and Google Ads campaigns to attract targeted traffic to your store. Don't miss this transformative opportunity. Join us now and turn your e-commerce dreams into reality. Feel free to tweak any part to better match your style. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform that empowers businesses to build and manage their online stores effectively. Whether you're a small startup or an established enterprise, Shopify provides a user-friendly and comprehensive set of tools to create a professional online store. With Shopify, you don't need extensive technical knowledge or coding skills to get started. The platform offers a range of customizable themes and templates, allowing you to design a visually appealing and unique storefront that aligns with your brand identity. You can customize the layout, colors, fonts, and images to create a personalized online shopping experience for your customers. One of the key advantages of Shopify is its simplicity and ease of use. The platform provides a user-friendly interface that enables you to manage your products, inventory, and orders efficiently. You can easily add, update, and organize your product listings, set prices, and track inventory levels. Shopify also offers built-in features for managing customer information, processing payments securely, and handling order fulfillment. Another notable feature of Shopify is its extensive app store. It offers a wide range of free and paid apps and integrations that can enhance the functionality of your online store. You can integrate with popular marketing tools, accounting software, customer support systems, and more to streamline your operations and provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers. In addition to the core e-commerce features, Shopify offers a suite of marketing and analytics tools. You can optimize your store for search engines, create discount codes and promotions, and leverage social media integration to attract and engage customers. The built-in analytics dashboard provides insights into your store's performance, sales trends, and customer behavior, enabling you to make data-driven decisions to grow your business. Whether you're just starting your e-commerce journey or looking to migrate from another platform, Shopify offers comprehensive resources and support. The platform provides extensive documentation, tutorials, and a dedicated customer support team to assist you at every step of the way. To create an online store using Shopify, you'll need to visit the Shopify website. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type www.shopify.com in the address bar and press Enter. You will be directed to the Shopify homepage, which serves as the gateway to creating and managing your online store. Take a moment to explore the homepage to familiarize yourself with the features and benefits of using Shopify as your e-commerce platform. You can find information about key features, pricing plans, success stories, and more. This will help you understand how Shopify can meet your specific needs as an online store owner. If you have any questions or concerns, you can navigate to the Support or Help Center sections of the Shopify website. These sections provide extensive documentation, tutorials, and resources to assist you throughout the process of creating and managing your online store. Once you feel ready to proceed, look for the Start Free Trial button on the Shopify homepage. On the Sign Up page, you can choose to create the Shopify account with email, Apple, Facebook, or Google. I will choose to sign up with email. Enter your preferred email address in the provided field. Make sure to use an email address that you have access to, as this will be the email associated with your Shopify account. After entering your email, click Continue with Email. Next, enter your password. Remember to enter a strong and secure password in the provided field. A strong password should be a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure to remember or securely store this password, as it will be required to log into your Shopify account. After entering your email address and password, click on the Create Shopify Account button. This will initiate the sign-up process and start a 14-day free trial period for your Shopify account. During this trial period, you can explore Shopify's features and set up your online store. After your account is created, you will be directed to the Shopify admin dashboard, where you can start customizing and setting up your online store. From here, you can choose a theme, add products, configure payment and shipping settings, and customize various aspects of your store. When it comes to themes on Shopify, there are two main categories: paid themes and free themes. Let's take a closer look at each category, compare them, and make recommendations for beginners. Free themes generally have limited features compared to paid themes. They may not offer as many customization options or advanced functionalities. Free themes often have a simpler design and may be less visually striking compared to paid themes. However, they still provide a clean and professional appearance. Free themes typically have limited or no direct support from the developers. Users rely on the Shopify community forums or documentation for assistance. Free themes may not receive frequent updates, which can lead to compatibility issues with new versions of Shopify. They may also lack security updates. Paid themes often come with advanced features and customization options. They offer more flexibility in terms of layout, design, and functionality. Paid themes are usually professionally designed and offer a more polished and unique look for your online store. Most paid themes come with dedicated customer support from the theme developers. This can be helpful for beginners who may need assistance in setting up and customizing their store. Paid themes tend to receive regular updates and improvements from the developers, ensuring compatibility with the latest versions of Shopify and providing security patches. For beginners just starting with Shopify, I would recommend using a free theme initially. This allows you to familiarize yourself with the platform, experiment with different features, and get a basic understanding of how to design and customize your store. Some popular free themes on Shopify include Craft, Dawn, and Studio. Once you have gained some experience and are ready to take your store to the next level, you can consider investing in a paid theme. Paid themes offer more flexibility, advanced features, and a unique design that can help your store stand out. Some popular paid themes on Shopify include Turbo, Retina, and Empire. When choosing a theme, consider factors such as your budget, desired features, design aesthetics, and level of support required. It's also important to regularly check for theme updates and ensure compatibility with the latest version of Shopify to maintain a secure and optimized online store. Remember, the choice between a paid theme and a free theme ultimately depends on your specific needs and goals. Let us have a look on 3 popular free themes on Shopify, including Craft, Dawn, and Studio. Craft offers a visually appealing and rustic design that complements craft, art, and handmade product stores. It has a unique and creative aesthetic that showcases the craftsmanship of products. Craft provides customizable homepage sections, collection filtering options, product image zoom, and social media integration. It focuses on enhancing the browsing experience for customers and highlighting the unique aspects of craft-based businesses. Craft is specifically designed for craft, art, and handmade product stores. It is an excellent choice if you want to showcase the creativity and craftsmanship of your products. The Dawn theme in Shopify is a popular choice for creating an attractive and functional online store. It features a modern and minimalist design that focuses on showcasing products effectively. With its responsive layout, customizable sections, advanced product filtering options, integrated social media icons, SEO-friendly structure, and user-friendly checkout process, the Dawn theme offers a seamless and visually appealing shopping experience for customers. It is a versatile theme that can be personalized to match your brand identity and provide a unique online presence. With its modern and elegant design, the Studio theme puts the focus on showcasing products and creating a seamless shopping experience. It offers a responsive layout that adapts to different screen sizes, customizable sections for personalized branding, advanced product filtering options, integrated social media icons, and a user-friendly checkout process. The Studio theme is designed to enhance the overall visual appeal of your store and provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Each of these free themes has its own unique design elements and features. It's a good idea to preview and test different themes to see which one aligns best with your vision and requirements. Now we will use the Craft theme for our store. Here is a step-by-step guide to installing the Craft theme on your Shopify store. From your Shopify admin, click Online Store in the left-hand menu, and then select Themes. In the Themes section, scroll down to the popular free themes. Find the Craft theme and click Add. The Craft theme will then start to install. The installation process will take some time. After the installation, click Publish. Shopify will prompt you that the Craft theme will replace the default theme Dawn. Click Publish, then click Customize. You will be redirected to the theme customization page. Here, you can customize various aspects of the Craft theme, such as the logo, colors, fonts, and other settings. It's time to move on to the next step.